So to make a copy of this, we go up to File, and then Copy, just click OK, and it'll open up as a new tab here. So it looks like this and this are the same thing, but the difference is you'll be able to edit this. Now another thing you could do, which is a great idea, is to actually copy it to, you can do it from your copy, might be even better. If you right click down here and say copy to existing spreadsheet, then what I'm going to do is you would find your spreadsheet here. Go in. This will look different for you. You could type. Let me do this. Typing in Joni. That should work for you. And we're going to take a look now at your spreadsheet, and there it is. And this one you will be able to. And if you needed to slide it anywhere, you can. What I did there, I clicked down with the left button and dragged it to a new location. And that's a pretty common move, to be able to click the left button and then hold it down and without releasing it, drag over something. That can also allow you to select a group of things at once. Or, for example, if you wanted to just select the entire spreadsheet here, we could cut this to the clipboard. What I mean by that, if you right-click, you could cut or copy it and paste it somewhere else. Again, you don't need to do that here, but that idea of clicking that left button and then moving the mouse and selecting everything in between, that comes into play quite a bit and is incredibly useful.